guys, I am Louis Miller. My mother and father was shoemaker.
Okay.
And then all her brothers were also shoemaker.
What is this iron thing?
Oh, this.
Yes.
I don't believe all that. You wouldn't believe it. It's a scale.
A scale?
Yeah, it's a scale. It's a Steely Scale they call it.
What do you say weigh on it?
Well, everything. Hello. This is a little one. It's the same thing, but this one doesn't have the bar on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's the dial. You would hang it up.
Yes.
Hang it up there. And then you would put the balance on this, that big round thing there. And then this is the dial. So whatever it say when you had it hang up.
Okay.
And the balance is on there. The balance is on there. And the pound of flour is on here.
Oh.
Right? So whatever the pound of flour draw, so that was how it is.
Alright.
It's called a Steely Scale. Somebody owe me some money and he bring this and leave it here one day when I wasn't here. I didn't know what it was. I only come and sit and hang it up on the wall.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I had it for quite a few years and I couldn't figure out what it was.
Mm-hmm.
And then now, the next man bring with this big one with everything on it, with the balance.
Okay.
So this doesn't work without the balance. But this one I think could be like 100 pounds.
Okay.
That one.
Yes, because it's heavier, bigger.
Yeah. But this one now would be like an ordinary 50-pound scale. So you would hang it up there.
Yes.
And you would put the balance on this. And the thing you are buying now, if it was a pound or it was 2 pounds, you hang it on here. And then the balance will show you here. This will show you when it's center.
Okay.
What it is. So that was the scale they had first. I don't know how old it is. It's called a caliper.
Caliper?
Yes. You know what a caliper is?
No.
Well, it's to measure. It's a measurement. Measure like a pipe. Or see, it can work like that. So if you want to measure a piece of wood, here is something. Anyway, okay. We do that now.
Okay.
So that will tell you what the size of the pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Can tell you what size the pipe is. You adjust it with this. So it can go right out to that. Bigger pipe or a bigger piece of wood or whatever.
Yes.
It's called a caliper. Right. What we have up here again? It's called a creaser.
Creaser?
Yes. It's a tinsmith tool. If you look on the cans when you take off the label, you see it has some ring around it.
Yeah, man, on the like the tin can and so on.
Yeah, so you take off the label and you would see it has some,
some creasings.
some crease around it. Right, so this would be what they put the tin in on.
Okay.
The tin cement would put the piece of tin on this and beat it
And style it.
Yes. Beat it and then make it how you want to make it. It's called a creaser.
Okay.
My. Okay, this is a. Okay, I show you that one already.
Yes. There's another one.
This is a working one. Punch. See it?
Yes.
And this can turn. It can turn right around. I would use it in the office and all those places to punch paper. It's like how you look. You see all the computer paper them come with the
Yes.
the
Yes.
well, this has a different size that you want. And it still work. To oil it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
See, I have a whole lot of things here.
Yes.
I have a whole lot of things here that need to be highlighted. Oh, my rat trap. That's another thing. That's a rat trap.
Okay.
That's another thing I got and I couldn't figure out what it was. Somebody bring it to me and I have it. I have it for a long time and I couldn't tell what it was. How did I set it again? Oh, it can work like that.
Oh, and then when the rat crawl
So
on
the
it,
rat-
put the food in the middle.
Put the food on this now,
Mm-hmm.
and the rat would come. Let me see how we set it again.
Man, you catch a finger. Oh.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to see if I can set it here now. I will set it, but I don't know. And he catch rat, you know.
Yes.
Catch rat and him hang up him neck in here,
Mm-hmm.
and him hang up in there and stay there and he squeeze him till him dead. See that tight?
Yes, can't pull it.
I can't pull it, but I'm trying to find out how to set it again. Let me see how I set it. Let me see if I saw.
Man, your finger, you know.
Should be so. Okay. The rat will come and meddle with this now. Something not right. It's right, but I don't remember how it is set.
Yes.
I don't remember how it's set, but I know when the rat come and trouble that now it fly. It fly and lock him up like that.
Yes.
So this hole he can't get with.
Can't pull out.
That's the only one I've seen very unusual. That was for a long time because I never see one. It's just here that they see it.
Okay.
So it's not from even my days.
It's way back.
Yes. From way back when the old people used to this is another piece of old tool. They use this to make a mortar. Dig out the mortar.
Yes.
See it? Dig out the mortar, dig out the wood. It's two different size. You put the handle in here. And then you would chip it. Like that. Right. Did I leave anything out? Oh,
The pot.
here is the king. The king is the kitchen bitch lamp.
What name?
You know the kitchen bitch?
Okay.
Everybody knows the kitchen bitch.
It's a lamp.
Yeah, everybody knows the kitchen bitch. This is what you would use in the kitchen. That's why they call it kitchen bitch.
Okay.
Let me see what we have in here. Maybe I can light it too.
You're going to light it?
Yeah. Let me light up the kitchen bitch here now.
Oh.
I'm sure you never see one like this for a long time if you ever see one like that.
So they used to use it on the outside, like in the outside?
Generally in the kitchen.
Outside kitchen and so
Yeah,
on.
in the outside kitchen. Generally this is that's what you would use.
Mm-hmm.
And then now the bigger one like those now with the home suite, home shade, whatever they are.
Yes.
Those was you use in the house. Maybe this little one you use in the bedroom and so on.
Okay.
That's the whole kitchen bitch. So this bed here, it grow the whole family.
Oh, the little bed.
Yes, it's called a sofa. It's a sofa. It used to be in the hall of the old ancestors. So that is from my grandfather days, my mother's father.
Okay.
So all my brothers and sisters and all my mother brothers and sisters sleep on it. It was a pure wood cedar.
And it's still strong.
Yes, man, it's still strong.
Sturdy.
It's long over 100 years.
Okay.
My mother sleep on it when she was a
Baby.
It was like a bed.
Generation
Right.
passed down to
So that is
generation.
coming away from my mother father days.
Okay.
It used to have another head used to be on this side. So
Yeah.
it was like what they call a love seat. So you could sit on this side and you could sit on that side.
Okay.
Like that, but they cut it off, get a little more space or something. And just about every one of the family that I know.
You going to out this now?
Yes,
Wait. Yeah.
that's how you out the kitchen bitch. Alright, so far I think we must have
Covered almost everything.
cover nearly everything in here. This is called a bank.
Crow bank.
Bank. You can't tell what it was for. And they use it for other reason too.
To fight?
Yes, the men carry this as a weapon in the night.
Okay.
Carry this in a pocket. Shirt over it. Instead of a knife.
So where they get the chance to put on the thing?
What, this? Well, this
Oh,
one.
they just pull it out and put it on quickly on the hand.
Just something like that.
Oh, okay.
So you would.
Mm-hmm.
It's not really the real purpose for it though.
Yes.
A crow bank is used by the people who raise animal, like a cow or a horse. Sometimes the cow would eat like a green mango and it would stick in the throat. So this was much longer. So you would head up the cow and you would push this down in his throat and move the mango. So most of this was covered with leather out there. And this is used on the big farm. The big farmers would use that. And this is a shorter one which I think used for the same purpose, but they call it a blackjack. I don't know if you ever hear of a blackjack.
No.
So those bad men would carry this. You hear that thing licking with blackjack in their head.
Knock out.
Hey, knock out.
Let me feel the end. It's iron. Oh
Yes,
God, man,
it's
that's
iron.
wickedness.
Yes, it's iron.
That is. Let me hold it.
Yeah. It's iron.
That's
So if they
wickedness,
use
man.
This, yeah, if they use this and hit you in the hit you on the head, then you could be dead.
Yes.
You could be dead. So all those are there, and not many people know about them. Here's all kind of little things in the corner there, but part of things, ice cream. That was for making ice cream.
This is a pot.
Oh yes, the 3-foot pot. I forget to show you the pot. How could I not show you the pot? Very important.
So on the 3 stones.
Yeah, the 3-foot pot and the 3 stone there that you set it up on. You see the wood underneath it. The wood underneath it. Let me see if anything is in the pot. We also have some. No, not in it now. We used to have some clay stuff in there. No? We come at them. And that's the calabash. This is what we used to eat out of.
Yes.
Different size. Have some more around there. So they call it a paki. Some place they call it a paki, and some place they call it a calabash.
Okay.
The different names they have. Old things.
Is you made this at the door?
Huh?
The thing at the door.
What was that?
This.
Oh yes, I made those. We used to have a church club. Kind of, I don't know not much going on about this. I used the
Box.
piece of box. I use these like the drinks box. I make all of those. Over the year we used to make those in the night when we have club.
Okay.
So this one too. That one is hey. Well, I do some dirt, but anyway, whatever you can see, you can see. It's whole cabinet. Whole cabinet, I don't think anything is in there.
Okay.
Down here is just really good.
Yeah, piano.
Anything I collect.
Who do the carvings?
I didn't do them. I bought these from my friends. But I sell them when the people come, and if they don't come, I keep them.
Okay.
This is a whole African ceremonial spoon.
Okay.
It's used in Africa for special occasion. I don't know what it is. The carving of Nani. Alright. Oh, this is what I was saying, is the lantern. This one can work. Just need some oil in there.
Okay.
And this is what they used to use for carrying water. It's a big...
Okay, like a bucket like?
Yes, but we didn't have bucket in those days, so... Mostly they made that go to ground and they full that of water. Full that of water and take it with you, cork it at the top there. Or you could just carry water from anywhere you want to carry it from. So I got that one made. This one is not really old, but it's from those days. What I have here again. The shop is broken down, so that's why I'm repairing.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm working in here, so that's a basket we had at the church club also. big Spanish jar. You see? You get that?
Where is it?
There.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
What they normally keep in it?
Water.
Okay.
Water. They say they used to keep money in it, but I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Say they bury money, but I don't think so.
So it's a big Spanish jar.
Yes. See the Spaniard stamp on it. Yes, so from way back.
Okay.
People say they full it of money and bury it, but I don't believe it.
Okay.
I don't believe that.
Guys, it was a wonderful experience. The tour was lovely. There are so many things that we have seen from the past, and it has also brought back so many memories. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more.